For over 200 years, this structure has been the heart of American governance, witnessing countless historic decisions and pivotal moments. Its walls, made of durable Aquia Creek sandstone, hold the echoes of presidencies past. This is not just a structure. It is a repository of history, a symbol of freedom, and the enduring home of the American presidency.
Its neoclassical architecture, with its iconic columns and intricate facade, reflects a timeless elegance and American heritage.
Join us as we step inside to explore the hallowed halls and pivotal rooms where history continues to unfold.
Beyond the familiar facade, a robust architectural skeleton upholds this iconic structure.
Every load-bearing wall, every beam, precisely calculated to maintain its strength and iconic form. From every angle, the underlying engineering reveals a masterclass in structural resilience. Rising from this base, a robust internal steel framework forms the skeletal backbone, providing unparalleled. This steel skeleton is meticulously integrated with carefully constructed load-bearing walls, working in unison. Beyond the facade, a transparent shell reveals the architectural and engineering marvels hidden within these historic walls. This is the renowned entrance hall, a vital gateway, leading visitors towards historic areas. Beyond the initial view, observe the intricately designed ceilings and the historic portraits that line these. And beneath our feet, the polished marble floors with their timeless beauty and intricate pattern. From presidential press conferences to elaborate state dinners and musical performances, this room adapts.
Beyond its ornate facade,
the sheer length of this place sinks. Dominating one end of the room, the grand fireplace offers both warmth and a focal point for the room's stately design. Adjacent to this, the state dining room stands as a testament to both formal diplomacy and exquisite design.
Each place setting is meticulously arranged, reflecting centuries of diplomatic tradition
and refined aesthetics.
Reveals the verticalization and experiment.
From the East Room's public grandeur to the State Dining Room's formal elegance, these spaces tell. Welcome to the Oval Office, the heart of American executive power. Beyond its iconic
Within, a network of secure communication lines and power conduits ensures uninterrupted operation.
Each fiber of this rug embodies the strength, peace, and leadership of the United States. As we zoom closer, the cutaway view reveals the intricate systems hidden within the desk, including the integrated. Welcome to the Cabinet Room, the strategic heart where crucial policy decisions are shaped. Around this very table, the President and Cabinet members gather, discussing national and international affairs. Beyond its visible grandeur, the Cabinet Room incorporates advanced acoustic engineering for complete discretion.
Beyond the Cabinet Room's carefully balanced diplomacy lies another crucial nexus of power, demanding.
This is the Situation Room, a facility unparalleled in its technological capabilities. Sophisticated displays are the eyes and ears of national security, providing real-time data from around the globe. Simultaneously, global monitoring systems track unfolding events, providing unparalleled. Adjacent to these displays are the advanced communication consoles, providing encrypted link. Beyond the ceremonial halls lies the presidential residence, a private world where the first family finds solace and respite. Even in comfort, a subtle technical precision is evident, each furnishing rendered with a delicate glow. These vital spaces, including the private living area and family dining, are meticulously designed. Comfortable furnishings, rendered with a subtle technical glow, integrate seamlessly, demonstrate.
Beyond the individual suites, the residence provides dedicated spaces for family interaction and community.
This blend of private living and family spaces underscores the residence's dual role. A secure, glowing conduits represent the ceaseless flow of information and energy, sustaining the very fabric of its daily operations.